Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We've seen a little bit more of a rally here to the upside, and XRP is coming to a main decision point. So after we broke out of our descending wedge here to the upside, we have now rallied into resistance, and XRP doesn't want to give up. I'm just taking these lines out so we get a little bit more clarity. This is the bearish count, and this is still my idea in terms of getting a little bit more downside, but I also have to say that obviously XRP, by breaking above the descending wedge, rallying into resistance, we are currently at the cusp of breaking the immediate bearish scenario. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you first about my bearish count, which is this one, which is a possible 5-wave move down here of the 30th of March highs. Wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 down, wave 4 up, wave 5 down. Not happy with this count anymore, the way this develops, but I can go with this as long as we're holding below 47.8 cents. But it has pushed a little higher. I mean, looking at the structure, yeah, this doesn't give me a clear C wave anymore with this additional low and this additional high. So it could be a WXY, but it's all getting a bit messy now. To be honest, looking at it again, I think another count that is possible here would be, and that again would be a bearish one. It would just allow for a little bit more a little bit more upside here. Sort of this, that we came down like that. Also not a count I particularly like, yeah, but it is one that would be more in line with the overall wave count, because in the bearish count we would like to see another low, yeah, for XRP below the, well, below 30 cents, and with the count I had, this would be barely possible. So this 5-wave move down that I have on the chart now could just be the wave 1 of a larger 5-wave move down. So wave 1 down, wave 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down. This is the bearish count. And that means that even if we break above 47.8 cents, which is certainly an important Fibonacci retracement level, it is not necessarily bullish. It certainly will depend on the structure. But what does that mean? How high could this wave 2 go? So the wave 2 should not go above the 78.6 retracement. So ideally in the area between 49.7 and 54.7 cents, that would be ideal for this wave 2. If the wave 2 goes above 54.7 cents, then we probably really have something more bullish going on. Until then, I'm going to remain focused on downside, but we can in parallel track a possible bullish wave count, yeah. But I'm not happy with that, the bullish count, not because this would be a 1-2-1-2 setup in the bullish count. I've always said that as long as we're holding here the 40 cent level, a bullish count is possible, but I'm not happy with it. You know, this is a messy chart. I mean, XRP is, yeah, it's just a bit of a messy chart, right? But at the moment I remain focused here on possibly another low, as long as price stays below 54.7 cents. On the other hand, a bullish count is possible, and that would be in a 1-2-1-2 setup. Why don't I like this chart? I don't like the chart because the second wave 1 is way longer than the first wave 1. Absolutely not reliable. If this was a 1-2-1-2, how would it work out from a bullish point of view then of the recent lows? Well, if we zoom in a little bit from a bullish point of view, here we look at this structure. Obviously we would then have completed here this wave 2 low on the 8th of May. Well, I would count the move up as a wave 1. We came down in a wave 2, and we had another lower degree wave 1 to the upside, which topped here at around 47.5 cents, with a lower degree wave 2 to the downside, and we would now be moving up in a third wave. Yeah, so that would be the bullish count. Basically 1, 2, and we would be in the third wave now, because this is another 1, 2. So it would push higher. You know? The invalidation point for this scenario is the 41.9 cent level. So, and what I found quite interesting is if you look at this looks a little like, and I don't like these structures, but you know, it looks a little like an inverse head and shoulders, which, you know, and a smiley. No, inverse head and shoulders, which could result in a bit of a reversal here to the upside. But then, you know, what would be the target if we talk about, okay, what is the neckline? Neckline is here our 50% retracement, which is the known resistance level, 47.8 cents. A break above that level, where could it take us? If we just take the height of that head and shoulders, go to the breakout point, then a so-called neckline, that would take us basically to the top of our resistance box for the wave 2. But these are all the relevant levels that now need to be observed. To be honest, there is not a strong edge on this chart. I mean, sometimes this just isn't a clear chart. We can always come up with a count and analyze structure. Just be expected here that this is going to morph, because we're dealing with corrective structures to the upside, corrective down, corrective up. This is going to morph, and that's why this is not a reliable count and chart at the moment. Yeah, from an Elliott Wave point of view, it just morphs a lot. It's just a corrective structure, so just be aware of that. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.